Alright guys, here we go. It is Tuesday night. You know what that means? It's Cash Starts and Mega Cricket. And look, I found some 11-12 Limited. I'm doing this 11-12 Limited next week too. If I can get some more. 11-12 Limited is my favorite thing for Cash Starts. If I can't, I'll be doing Totally Certified after that. But whatever. Here we go. War Machine and Rick. Bob, Ron, Chuck, Aaron, Pat, Jack. Jack only had one team. James and Nick. Aaron got the extra listing, so she gets an extra crack at the Cash Starts prizes. Chuck and Aaron. Keith, you only got one team. Hope you're watching live. I sent you the link. Got Bob and Chuck and Pat and Nick and Ron and Steve ended up with one team as well. So spectator. Hopefully, you know what? I'm gonna want to get Jack, Steve, and Keith a hit out of the box. That would be cool. At least they get a hit out of the box, and then because they're not in Cash Start. So, anyways, here's the box ending in 854, which I believe is Brian's age, by the way. He's pretty old, that guy. And here we go. Keep the checklist just in case. Looks like a pretty thin pack, so might get some extra autos in this one. Base for the Sharks and Chuck, Ryan Clough out of 299. Oh, we lost Pat. Oh, we got a Ruby Spotlight base for the St. Louis Blues and Chuck, Yarrow Halak. Welcome back, Pat. We're just starting. Number 16 to 49. Halak base and a Ryan Clough base before that for the San Jose Sharks. We got my boy here for the Toronto Maple Leafs base. Johnny Bauer. 299 for Ron. Sweet. Hey, Pat, you just came into the room just in time for this lovely Nicholas Lidstrom autograph. Team Trademarks, hard autograph, Nicholas Lidstrom. Out of 99. There you go, Pat. Card's in good shape, too. Just in time for that sweet card. We have got a Crease Cleaners jersey for the Columbus Blue Jackets out of 99. And Aaron, it's Steve Mason. What edge issue right there, actually. Boo Panini. Oh no. Yay Panini. Boo Upper Deck. Wow. We got a shield. You heard me. On the back for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And any Nick, you got Sydney Crybaby out of 299. Sid the Kid. On the back for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Holy cow, this box is loaded. Pat, if you didn't like your Nick Lidstrom autograph, you might like this Steven Stamkos private signings. Just saying. Wow. This is like an awesome box already. Yeah, you haven't even seen it yet, though. We have a shield. We have a very expensive shield. Going to... Oh, I wish Ed was here. Going to Bob and the New York Rangers. I give you King Henry. King Henry Shield, 1 of 1 for my friend Canes fan Bob. There you go, Bob. Boom. Boom for Bob. Pretty good shape. Couple tiny little edge issues, but other than that, not too shabby. Yeah, it's a couple $100 easy. So Pat got 2 awesome autographs. Canes fan Bob. With with an awesome shield. And nothing for Steve, nothing for Keith, and nothing for Jack. Sorry, guys. But that, when you talk about box value, that is an awesome box of 11-12 limited. So, just saying. All right. We're not even done. We're going to give away way more money now. We're close. In the form of cash starts. So if you had two teams, you get a chance. If you get... yeah, I always keep a bunch of Panini in stock. You know me. If you had two teams, you're going to get at least to keep your darts in this. We have 3 prizes. And I think it was 10 shooters tonight. So, 2 decent prizes and a Nancy prize. Yeah, that would be an awesome box to buy, man. First place tonight. I love this as a first place prize. Yeah. You're gonna get all the hits inside this box of masterpieces. So top prize. Masterpieces. Second place. 14-15 artifacts. So you're gonna get all the hits in that too. So we now have 2 top prizes and we've got a Nancy prize. So Nancy prize, I got a patch. I'm just throwing this in. I didn't add any value to it because it's got a ding on the back. It's on the back. Joey Hishin 3-color showcase patch out of 375. And in Zach's bin, Philly and the Jet, 17 bucks value in his bin that was up earlier. So the Nancy prize, the lowest score is going to get the 2 spots and the Hishin. Yeah, it's a nice little nameplate, looks like, or number plate. So there we go. Masterpieces. Oh, Boo Brian. That's like a Mega Brian. Mega Boo Brian. Alright. So we're starting off with War Machine. He gets the first draw. He's been pretty lucky. Single 17. I like the song. I was booing the pun. Single 15. Night, Steve. Sorry about the no hit, Delio. Thanks for playing. And a triple 3 for 9. So we got 41. War Machine, not so great, buddy. But you get to keep those darts. That's the beauty part of this break. If you get 2 teams, at least you get 3 darts if you don't win anything. Rick, beautiful start. Triple 10 for 30. Yeah, there's always next Tuesday. We do it again. This is like Tuesday. It's like an old pair of underwear. It just keeps getting into the rotation. Probably not a great analogy. Okay. Double 3 for 6. And the Boom Sauce 4 that Rick doesn't need. Oh, and a Florida Darts that actually counts. This is the only time a Florida Dart counts. So horrible, good start for Rick and a bad finish. 36 puts you in the new Nancy lead. Yeah, it's pretty gross. Hey, Bob. Here you go, Bob. You got a beautiful shield, King Henry shield in the box, and now starting off with a 6. And a double 13 for 26. Low numbers tonight, eh? And a double 10 for 20. It's going to put you in the lead for now with 52. What a dismal start. Ron. Single 10. Wow. Double 10 for 20. You can still get a decent score if you get a high one here. And a single 16, naturally. So wow, 46. That's, can anybody break 60? Chuck. Chuck actually won last week, I think. Oh, I drew 2, so I'm going to put them back. I'm going to spin up, mix it up here. All right. Chucky. Single 20. Triple 13 for 39. Has got Chuck in the lead already. And I shouldn't have said anything because I'll probably pull a low one here. And oh, not too bad. Double 15 for 30. Chuck, massive lead here. 89. Aaron's up. Boom Sauce C. Or the copyright logo. As I wrote it down there. Triple 6 18. Single 1. And triple 6 18 again. Oh, 37. Pat. Pat did awesome in the box with a Lidstrom and a Stammerado. I'd be really happy with that. Single 12. Triple 10 for 30. You got a chance. And oh, triple 3 for 9. 51. So recapping so far, Chuck in the big early lead. 52, Bob is in second place. And the Nancy is Rick with 36 still. All right, James. Oh, boom. 60 points off the bat. Best score you can get in darts right there. Oh, and, well, James just rocketed to first place with a 48. James is over in Australia. Nice guy, actually. And a double 12 for 24. That's a massive score for James. We're going to put him into first place big time. So what, 132? Which is probably about the third highest score ever, because I know we had a 145. So, Nick, you're up. This is where it gets rigged. I'm going to rig it right here for Nick. Oh, double 5 for 10. I rigged it the wrong way. Oh, single bull. That's always handy to get. So 35. You could actually still, you need a big one here. You could still get into second place. Boom Sauce 3 that you don't need. And Boom Sauce 6 that you don't need. Wow. And a 3. Gives you 38. Not even good for the Nancy. Ouch. Alright, Aaron's guaranteed spots. Yes, yes, of course. Rage quit. Rage quit. Aaron. Triple 1545. You've never won anything on Cash Stars tonight. Totally should give up. Wow, Aaron. 50. Look at that, 95 after 2 darts. Can she upset James for first place? Let's find out. No. Triple 2 for 6. But it's going to rock her into second place past Chucky. With a, what is that? 101. 2 scores over 100. Not too shabby. So there we go. Finishing off. First place. James. You are the master. And Aaron. You are an artisan. And somehow Rick hanging on to the Nancy score. There is no third place. It's 1, 2, and bottom score. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you, Nick. I hear you. And Rick, you're going to get that Hishin and the 2 spots in Showcase. Philly and the Jets. for the Nancy prize. And people can call you a Nancy this week, Rick, if they're so inclined. Alright, so let's make some room here. I'm going to rip open these boxes for, who was it again? James and Aaron. Toss on the gloves. This is probably going to be an awesome... I think, what did the last one have? You know, the last Masterpiece card I pulled for James was a Bobby Orr autograph. So, let's see if he gets that mojo again. The guy's pretty lucky. Alright, here we go, James. Your box of Masterpieces. You think so? Pittsburgh hit. Mario Lemieux auto. Pretty good night tonight. That limited box was going to be hard to beat. Definitely. All right. St. Louis up 4-2. Joe Sakic short print. Hey, there it is. The Mario Lemieux. Not autographed, though. But still out of 50. Black framed Mario. And a Seth Jones wire photo. Yep, totally called it, eh? A Jean Beliveau short print. Chicago's in trouble, man. They can't lose tonight. Wayne Gretzky, black and white portraits, and Kyle Okposo jersey card. And the ugliest picture of Scott Hartnell you will ever see. Johnny Tay short print. And Thomas Hertel black framed out of 50 as well. Weird. That's pretty cool. Well, maybe baby pictures or something. Maybe it's like mildly cute. Short print, Neil Yakupov. Oh, there we go. Brendan Gallagher, a hard autograph. That's pretty good. It's in blue ink. Not numbered. Not numbered. I know a certain fellow in the channel that would like to have that card. Vladislav. Whoa, Brickus. Vladislav Nemensnikov rookie card, and nice patch. Beautiful little Drew Doughty patch there. It is 4 color out of 25. Number 5 of 20, Drew Doughty patch. A nice box going on here. Gretzky short print. Gino black and white portraits, and the, what is that, Reinhardt and Ekblad dual wire photo. Oh, there's still 12 minutes left. They can come back. Not. Chicago has the big lead in shots, eh? Short print, Yari Curry. Packs are opening weird tonight. Ty Ratty rookie card. Like the cool one I just pulled for Brian out of 3. They did call him up too. I wonder if he played tonight. I think it was a scratch actually. Mike Richter short print. And a wire photo of Tarasenko. No, TJ Oshie. Brian. Dude, no you didn't. No you didn't. Oh, I gotta click. That's too funny. Wow, he had a beard that young. Bill Barber short print. 3 packs. 3 packs left in James. Cash starts win. Hey, there's a Bobby Orr. I think my eyes are burning from that picture Brian just linked, but I'll try and continue on. Or Steve Yzerman, short print. And I'm doing a box of masterpieces on Saturday with Boom Sauce. I like masterpieces. One of the best, actually. I think it's my favorite recent product of Upper Deck. Phil Kessel, wire photo. And that's it. Pretty nice box there, James. Doughty patch, nice Gallagher autograph. Not too shabby. And here we go, Aaron. Yeah, he was always the last one picked at the playground too. Right. Yeah, he was receding hairline. Last pick to go on the teeter-totter. Wayne Simmons, the guy with the skinniest legs in the NHL, on a $5.99 Emerald for Aaron. It was, who was it, Aaron? Yes, Aaron with the guaranteed turn. So actually the $20 spot, I think this was about $25 spot, won this box already. Not too bad. Jake McCabe out of $9.99. Rookie. Not related to Brian McCabe, I think. Redemption jackets. So 159 jackets. I don't think I have that list, but whatever. Is Kirby Reichel? You're trying to stay there? I would think so, yeah. We got a patch. Nice. They didn't have as many patches in 14-15. Huh. That pack screamed when it opened. JT Brown. Autofax. Mem. Dave Boland with Chicago colors. Boo! It's a Leaf card. You can't put Chicago colors on there. Yeah. He played for the Leafs for like half a season or something. Sapphire. Adam Oates for the Oil. Wow, that's interesting. Out of 85. Not a team you think Oates would be with there. I remember Oates with Hull in St. Louis or maybe in Washington, but not with the Oil. Eddie the Eagle out of 499 goalie insert. Two shifts and he got injured. Oh, that card is weird. In the garbage. Jonathan Racine out of 499 rookie Ruby. Yeah. Hey, at least he came back to retire as a Leaf. He should have been a Leaf. Tandems. Alex Chasson and Kari Lettinen. Little corner dingage on that one. Not too bad. And the patch is going to be some guy, I bet. Yeah, definitely some guy. Oh, pretty good, actually. 2-color with stitching, Jeremy Roenick. A lot of Roenick chasers, so that would be a pretty valuable card, actually. But if that bottom left corner wasn't just completely boogered, it would be even more valuable. But there we go. Thank you, Upper Deck, for using our card in your bicycle spokes. We appreciate it. And that's it for cast starts tonight, guys. So really appreciate your support. Pretty good cast starts, good value in prizes, and we'll see you on the next one. Remember, oh yeah, and Rick gets this. So I gotta post it. Rick gets the Philly and the Jets. So thanks a lot, guys, and see you. Yeah, actually, it's Zach tomorrow night, and then PJ's first 643 break on Thursday. So I'll see you guys for auction on Friday-ish.